Hello friend. In today's video we are going to talk about the calculation of interest and principal portion of the EMI. Generally EMI based loans are very common in the retail segment. So like housing loan, car loan, education loan, these are the retail segment loan. And here the repayment will be on equated monthly installment basis where the it will be uniform for throughout the tenor, but in between the tenor the principal and the interest component keep on changing. So we will use this formula PPMT and IPMT to work out what is the principal and what is the interest for a given period of the loan. I request you to please have a look at my previous video on PMT, that is the calculation how to work out the EMI. So again, I'm going to discuss that PMT here also. So the formula for working out the principal is PPMT, rate, then per, then NPR, that and present value, future value, and type. And similarly, IPMT is also the same. Now we will be working out, and accordingly simultaneously we will be discussing, and I will be elaborating all these things which are being used in this formula. So let us first work out the equated monthly installment, and then from there we will carry forward for the principal and interest bifurcation. So go to the insert function tab, choose the PMT, put the rate, and divide the rate by 12 because it is a monthly repayment is there. So here also it is written rate is the interest rate per period. So per period is 12. Then if it is the repayment is quarterly, then we have to divide it by 4. Then NPR is the total number of payment of the loan, that is 60, and present value is 2 lakh. Future value we will keep it blank, and the type is payment at the end of the period we are choosing, and then we enter it. Okay, so my monthly installment has come out to 4,249.41. Now we are going to work out the principal portion of this installment and then the interest portion of this installment. Now for working out principal and interest portion of this installment, it is going to vary every month. So let us do the calculation for first month. How much will be the my principal and how much will be the my interest out of this 4,249. So again go to the insert function, choose the PPMT. Here also you can see PPMT formula, and now put the rate. So rate again divided by 12 as we are going by the monthly. Per, now per specifies the period. So here we are talking about the period, that is the first month. So we will choose the 1. Then NPR is the total number of payment. So total number of payment we have taken. Then PV is the present value that we have taken. Then type is we are going by the payment at the end of the period. So 0 is taken, and let us enter it. So 2,582.74 is the principal out of 4,249.41 in the first month on this loan of 2 lakh. Similarly, we can work out the interest payment by using IPMT formula. So go to again insert function, choose IPMT, put the rate divided by 12, then per is the period, then NPR is the total number of payment, PV is the present value, and type is 0, and press enter. So 1,667 is the interest. If I sum this principal plus interest, I get my equated monthly installment, which is the same. Now you can do it for the entire tenor of 60 months also. Let us try to do it. So I have put the period like first month, second month, third month, fourth month, fifth month, and we are going to drag this formula. So for dragging the formula, what we need to take care, because it is a presently it is a relative formula, and we have to fix certain values. These values we have to fix. So for fixing values, what we have to do, we have to freeze these given cells. Like example D6. D6 is rate of interest. So we have to fix this D6. So what we can do is simply put dollar sign in front of D and in front of 6. Similarly, E5 we have to keep relative because we are going to change the period, so we will keep it as it is. Then D7 is the tenor which we have to change, which we have to keep fixed. So we will fix the D7. Then D5 is your principal amount, which is also going to remain the same. So take care that if you are not fixing the cells which are going to be common, otherwise your form when you will drag it, this will not give you the true value. So you have to fix those, and you have to keep this period as relative because otherwise it will not change also, and then enter. Similarly, you have to do it for the interest also. So fix the D6, which is the interest rate. Fix the E5, E15. No, E15 we don't need to fix because it is going to remain relative. D7 is the period, it is going to remain fixed. D5 is the principal, it is also going to remain fixed, and then enter. So now when I am going to drag this formula, I am going to get the entire repayment schedule. So you can see from this calculation that your EMI is going to remain the same, 4,249.41 for the entire tenor of the loan per month basis, but the interest portion in the starting it is going to be on the higher side, but subsequently it is getting reduced, and then the principal portion is getting increased day by day. And when we come to the last, the interest portion has actually come down to 35 rupees only, and the principal has gone up. If we drag it for one more month, you can see that the formula has given error because your repayment is going to close by 60th month. That is the tenor of the loan. So hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.